Gary Wales. I want to show you our latest edition. It's been home here for about a month. We just pulled it out of 65 years dry storage. Look at this. Everything is wild. This is solid brass. It's amazing. The radiator, there's no dents in it. There's no nothing. It's beautiful. The engine is a 1915 Pure Zero Type 48 triple. And this is a KNOX, 1912-13 KNOX, and in 1925, it broke the crank, so they put in a Pure Zero 1915 rebuilt Pure Zero engine in, which certainly didn't make me unhappy. And by the way, it has tremendous compression and everything. We pulled it out of dry storage. Andreas was pulling me, and I used the handbrake. The brakes worked, and then I put it in gear just to slow it up because we were going downhill. And went, has unbelievable compression. It's in beautiful shape. Let me show you something. This was the first motorized vehicle in Glendale, California. And you know what its number was? Number 1. Now then we found out it has also a connection with the movie industry. In the late teens and in the 20s, it was used by RKO, by the Keystone Cops, Harold Lloyd, God knows who was in it. I mean, Buster Keaton, it was unbelievable. It's in, just clean it, and it's unbelievable. But I can't restore it. I got it, I was gonna do a special, one of my specials with it. You can't do it. This is too historically important and too rare. How many has ever seen a KNOX before? Look at the tires on these. These are 100+ years old, and they still held air, still holds air. When they didn't look like that, when we pulled it out, it started just falling apart because the rubber had turned into a rock. The wood is solid as a rock. You just can't replace it. Just be stupid. You're only a virgin once, and this is a 107-year-old virgin. Look at the quality of the wood. That's just got harder. There isn't any deterioration on this one whatsoever. Here it is, number 1 again. It's everything on it. Let me just give you a quick shot right here of the other side of the engine. Big Pure Zero 48. We have all the bits and pieces, I think, for it, just about everything. We've got the headlights. I got loads of stuff that comes with this thing. I just cannot break up a historically important piece like this. It'll never be found again, anything like this. I mean, everything has been found. I thought this shocked me when I heard about it. No. It's true. It's the jewel. It's the real deal. So anyway, I'm going to pass it on. So if you have an interest, let me know. We have all the stuff for it. Tons of spares. I've got all the I got hoses. I got everything. Not every little bit and pieces there, but we've got all the major component parts, and it's all solid. Chain drive, original chains, everything's on it. So anyhow, if you have an interest and you want this beauty, hopefully just to leave it original, but if you don't, that's your opportunity to restore it. But it's historically significant. At least you've got it, and you can picture it the way it was, and then you can show it as it is restored.